Hello everyone, today we will be looking at the nitrogen cycle. Our objectives are to explain what is the nitrogen cycle, processes involved, the importance of the cycle, some of the human impacts on the cycle. So this is Captain Nitrogen. Captain Nitrogen makes up 78% of the Earth's atmosphere by volume. She can be found in all proteins and DNA and is also a major part of the nitrogen cycle. So what is the nitrogen cycle, you may ask? Well, the nitrogen cycle is basically a model that explains how nitrogen is recycled and can also be explained by a pathway by which nitrogen moves to biotic, biosphere, and abiotic, lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Captain Nitrogen enters the living world by way of bacteria and other single-celled prokaryotes like rhizobium, which are nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These microorganisms capture Captain Nitrogen by converting her into ammonia.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh no! Lightning can also convert Captain Nitrogen to nitrate compounds. These conversion processes are known as nitrogen fixation, where nitrogen now becomes a usable form. Ammonia is then converted into nitrites through the process of nitrification. Nitrifying bacteria then converts these nitrites into nitrates. These nitrates can then be absorbed by plants, which are then eaten by animals. Waste products from these animals are broken down by decomposers such as saprobiotic microbes into ammonia. Denitrifying bacteria converts nitrates in the soil back into Captain Nitrogen, which completes the cycle.
Cycle complete. Ta-da!
So the importance of Captain Nitrogen. Captain Nitrogen is important in plant and animal life. It is fixed into ammonia compounds, which are used for production of amino acids. These are building blocks for proteins, which are used in DNA production and cell production. Captain Nitrogen is a major compound of chlorophyll, which is utilized by plants to produce photosynthesis and ATP. However, man's activity can impact on the cycle, such as the reliance on the Haber-Bosch process. This process increases the concentration and in turn the bioavailability of nitrates in the soil. The Haber-Bosch process involves combining Captain Nitrogen with hydrogen to produce ammonia. This ammonia is the base of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. Fertilizer use is expected to exceed 200 million tons in 2018, therefore increasing nitrates in the soil. Leaching of nutrients from the soil can be a result, therefore contributing to eutrophication. We hope you have learned a lot from this presentation.
This presentation was brought to you by Asia Joseph, Hadassah Barnes, Tamala Elborn, Tina Buckmeyer, and Shadora Joseph. Thank
Is it working?